In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Workspace admin account. 5 minutes. Before we begin, a quick heads up on what we're doing and what it means. Deleting your Google Workspace admin account effectively shuts down your organization in Google Workspace. That includes canceling your Workspace subscription, deciding what to do with your data, and then permanently deleting the organization from the admin console. You'll need to be signed in as a super administrator, and you should make sure you've saved anything you need before proceeding, because this can't be undone once you confirm the final deletion. Start by opening a browser and going to admin.google.com. Sign in with a super admin account. Once you're on the admin console homepage, look for billing. This is where all your paid services live. Click billing, then choose subscriptions. You'll see a list of subscriptions tied to your organization. Find your Google Workspace subscription and click it to open the details. On that page, look for the More menu. Click More, then choose Cancel Subscription. Google will guide you through a short process to confirm the cancellation. First, you'll be asked to select a reason for canceling. Choose the option that best fits your situation and click Continue. Next, you'll decide what happens to your data. Read each option carefully. This is important. Canceling the subscription stops access for your users and can start the clock on data deletion. If you need to preserve emails, drive files, or calendars, consider exporting or transferring ownership before you finalize the cancellation. You can use Google's built-in export tools or transfer content to another account if you're migrating away. If you don't need the data, you can proceed, but be sure the choice reflects your organization's policy and compliance needs. When you're ready, review the summary carefully. You'll typically see a checkbox acknowledging that you understand what cancellation means. Check that box. You'll be prompted to enter your administrator email address as a final confirmation. Enter it, then click Cancel My Subscription. If you have more than one subscription under billing, like additional add-ons, cancel those as well, because you'll need all subscriptions canceled before you can delete the organization. With subscriptions canceled, return to the admin console home. Now go to Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, open Account Management. This is where you can permanently delete the organization's account. Read the warnings on the screen thoroughly. They'll explain the consequences, including the loss of admin access and user access, and the handling of residual data. When you're sure, follow the prompts to complete the permanent deletion. A few final tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you've communicated the timeline to your users so they can save what they need ahead of time. And confirm any billing impacts like outstanding charges or the end of your billing cycle. And if your organization uses a custom domain, remember that canceling Google Workspace does not delete your domain registration or DNS settings. Those are managed with your domain registrar. And while Google may offer a brief window to restore a recently canceled subscription, don't rely on that if your goal is permanent deletion. Treat your choices here as final. That's it. You've canceled your Google Workspace subscription, chosen what happens to your data, and permanently deleted the organization from account management. Take a moment to verify you can no longer access the admin console and that no active subscriptions remain. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process with confidence.